Painting with oils can be a real struggle, but I am here to show you that it can also be easy, fast and clean. Hello painters! I am Malay Ganuza, and if you know me from social media, you know that I paint every day super fast and motivated, that I keep my workspace always clean and that my brushes and tools are always brand new. I know this is important for me because this is reflected directly into my painting style. So today in this video I am going to show you 5 oil painting hacks that you can start doing today. Let's go! First, let's talk about brushes. If you paint daily or frequently, don't clean them every single day. Brushes also suffer from cleaning sessions as you are bending or twisting the fibers, so instead, grab the brushes that still have oil and pigment and gently cover them with your rag overnight, and they will still be wet in the morning. Another bonus fix that I have for this is dipping the brushes slightly into linseed oil. Linseed oil is a slow drying medium, and this will also make the oil in your brushes dry slower. By the way, I will leave you here another video on how I clean my brushes. Now during the painting session you'll clean your brushes, but don't dip them directly into the solvent. This will make your solvent jar dirty super fast. Instead, gently but firmly squeeze the paint out of the bristles with a paper towel or with a rag. Then do clean your brushes regularly and keep painting. Also using solvent, have you had your medium thick like this before? Thick enough not to dump it but uneasy to use. Don't throw it, just add 50% of solvent onto it and mix gently with a brush and you have it perfect to use again. I am using Galkit as a medium and Gamsol as solvent here. And talking about liquids and mediums, some can be used on top of your palette, but others will be too liquid and will spread all over it. If you don't want to buy expensive and bulky thinner containers for your palette, you can have metal or glass makeup containers like this. This one is for nail art and has a lid. And of course, if you want to try this, you will have links below. And last but not least, my favorite trick ever. Are your paint tubes dirty and difficult to open like this? Don't put the cap on the tube right after you use it. Notice that the caps aren't flat inside. They have this shape that will take paint out of the tube when you close them. Instead, squeeze the paint back into the tube to leave space for the lid. If you can't, take a pinch of the paint with a knife to leave the needed space. And that's it. These are some of my favorite hacks that really help me paint better, and I will see you in the next video with more do's and don'ts. Let me know in the comments if you really struggle with something and I will find the best hack for you. Thank you all my Patreons for supporting me and for allowing me to do this, and I see you in the next week. Bye bye! If you want more content, I share all my tips in my Patreon, from steps-by-steps, videos, texts explaining my struggles, color theory, painting theory. You'll also be able to participate in polls, make requests, see the exclusive content of my Domestika courses, talk to me and the community, have monthly references to use, and even get exclusive goodies to your home. Thank you all my Patreons because you are making possible all these YouTube videos.